You're a skilled educator. You see your learners' potential. But sometimes the materials just don't fit. Neurodiversity isn't a problem to fix. It's a natural part of human variation. The real question isn't what's wrong with this learner. It's what's missing in our design. Enter generative AI. Not a replacement for your expertise, but a powerful co-pilot. In seconds, it can rewrite complex text in plain language, generate visual schedules or social stories, offer multiple ways to show understanding. Imagine a biology lesson rewritten as plant cells have tiny kitchens that cook with sunlight, or a calming visual guide for an autistic adult navigating public transit. These aren't accommodations, they're proactive inclusion. But AI needs your wisdom, always. Never input student names or private data. Always review for bias or infantilizing language.
Be transparent. This was AI assisted, and I shaped it for you.
Generative AI doesn't replace your empathy, your relationships, or your professional judgment. It simply scales your capacity to care, so you can spend less time reformatting and more time connecting. Ready to explore how AI can support your neurodiverse learners ethically and effectively? Join our hands-on workshop, Empowering Neurodiverse Learners with Generative AI. You'll leave with practical strategies, prompt templates, and a plan you can use Monday morning. Because when we design for neurodiversity, we design a better world for everyone.